Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Netlify Identity for member-only UI pages, full guide step-by-step clearly. To authenticate with Netlify Identity for member-only UI pages, begin by setting up your Netlify account. Log into your Netlify dashboard. Create a new site or select an existing one. Navigate to the Identity section in your site settings. Click on Enable Identity. Configure the identity settings according to your requirements. Make sure to check Open Gateway if you want users to register on their own. After configuring the settings, save your changes. Next, install the Netlify Identity widget in your project. Run the command npm install Netlify Identity widget in your terminal. Import the identity widget in your JavaScript file. Use the import statement to include Netlify Identity. Now, initialize Netlify Identity in your application. Call netlifyidentity.init to set it up. Create a login button in your UI. Add an event listener to this button to handle user login. When the button is clicked, execute netlifyidentity.open. This will trigger the Netlify Identity login modal for users. Handle the login response to confirm authentication. Use Netlify Identity.on, login, user equals. To manage after a successful login. You can now access user information from the user object. Utilize this information to display member-only content. For logout functionality, create a logout button in your UI. Add an event listener to this button to handle user logout. Call netlifyidentity.logout when the button is clicked. Handle the logout events similarly to the login event. Use netlifyidentity.on, logout, equals. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.